Hi, this is Brian with WTI, and if you're like me that love this famous TV show about lawyers, you may have heard about this uni-ball pen by Onyx. Let me tell you my experience with it, and if you should buy it as well.
You know that feeling when you find a pen that just works, like flawlessly, consistently, beautifully works? That's exactly how I feel about this uni-ball pen. I honestly can't remember when I got it. Months ago for sure, but it's been my go-to ever since. I have it on red and black, and the ink still glides across the page like it did on day one. No scratchiness, no skipping, no fading. It's like a black ink magic well that never runs dry. And forget about those frustrating pen shakes you have to do to coax out the last drops. This trooper just keeps on inking until the very end. Seriously, there are two things in this house that I hold very sacred: my Uniballs and my PC. They are the ultimate partners on productivity. And let's be honest, sometimes procrastination. But hey, a good pen makes even that more enjoyable, right?
But hey, that's my point of view.